What's up, guys? So, I'm doing another comparison. I'm doing a tire comparison because my run that I did with Bigfoot against the stock Deadbolt did not bode well in my opinion. It struggled a little bit. So I put different tires on Bigfoot. So I put the Endura Mickey Thompson Baja MTZs on them. They're taller than what I had on here before, but they're still not as tall as stock Deadbolt tires. But I'm going to show you that tires make the truck. So, which a lot of you might know. But anyway, so I'm going to get a battery going and we'll see what's going on. All right. Okay, guys, here we go. So this is the part I struggled with in the run with Bigfoot and Deadbolt. So we shall see how he bodes today. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, a little bit hung up, but still a lot better than these Super Swampers from RC 4-wheel drive. Look at that. That is more like it. So now let's go over through the frame twister. And we'll run it in both directions. Already performing so much better. I think I'm going to have to get another set of these tires. Look at that. So much better. Go the other direction. Those differentials are still getting hung up, but it's still going a lot better than what it did before. Oh, I think my battery just ran dead. Poop. Hold on, guys. Okay, new battery. Okay, so it's still getting hung up on the belly. Yep. Still getting hung up on the belly. That really doesn't have anything to do with tire size. Well, it does a little bit, but you can adjust that with the shock mounts too. But still a lot better than the boggers. Let's do a little climb up through here. I'm really liking the looks of these rims and tires on this truck. So the Deadbolt rolled over like twice going through here. So we'll see how this does with these tires on it. I struggled going down through here too. I got hung up on these rocks with the boggers. Looking pretty good. Oh, 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 oh. Spoke too soon. Oh. Can he get out of it? Looks like it. Oh, not out of this one, I don't think. Nope. This one is high centered. Pretty good. Poop. Oh! That was a huge struggle with the boggers right through there. Not quite as much as that hill back there, but it was still a big struggle. I think it's a big improvement. Big improvement. Boom. Yeah, definitely an improvement. Tires make the truck. Okay. Tires make the truck. With that said, this is what we're gonna do on Sunday. Boom. We'll run in Gravedigger with these tires on it. It's gonna be pretty cool. Anyway, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and we will see you guys on Sunday. Take it easy, guys.